Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at 4 rechargeable batteries from EBL. 3500, that's the capacity, 1.5 volts Leon. And Ultra, this is the Ultra ones, so they should be a bit stronger. There's a warning on the back if you want to see. Let's see if I can make my light a bit stronger. Yeah, so they come in here. And what I like about it, it comes with this USB-A, and then you have 4 USB-C, and they are rechargeable. So this is how they look like, and you can just recharge them on the go. USB-C. I previously had some micro USB, and they were still very good. So you can charge them on the go like I do. Put them into one of this. You can see it's flickering green. And that means they're all charging. And in terms of charging watts, it's 1.9. So yeah, there you have it.